So we got now our take-out and ready to travel and maulan pero umaraw bigla. Okay, let's go. Hi guys, so here's my view. Okay ba? What do you think? Let's go home at mag-take out muna tayo ng food. Here's our look. Kikim muna tayo guys. What's up? Yan na. Coffee. Sarap. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa ating party. Time to take a bath, baby. So, medyo gabi na. Hindi pa wala yung makeup ko. And, my hair is still intact. Nakikinig lang ako dito sa tablet because I'm still waiting matapos yung car wash. We should go home. Bye guys!